Well, now I got my cardstock all cut to size. I have the Megill Double Grip Gauge pins, which we're going to install in the press. And I know that the top of this logo is 24 points from the edge of the card. So I'll measure that and mark it, and then draw a horizontal line clear across the card and the packing. I know I want a similar dimension on the left hand side, so I'll put my left pin probably around here. And these are only starting positions. Once the pins are in there, because of the way they work, they'll be easily adjusted. Now remove my print and then complete the line across here. And complete my side line. Now I know the card will fit in this position, so I will tape one of these cards in place where I think it should go and make another print. And as you can see, I lined it up a little bit too low. So I will drop this line down, about 6 points. And try again. Oh, I went too far, so I know it's in between. At this point, I know the card is 3.5 inches wide, and I want to have one gauge pin close to the side, so I'll mark here for that one, and the other one extending over the side, so I'll mark there for that one. And then I will grab my handy little razor blade. Actually, I'm going to stick a little magnet there, put the razor blade down there, so that when you need a razor blade, it's right handy. I cut a vertical slit for the first pin, a vertical slit for the second pin. Loosen the wheels a little bit and slide this pin under the packing. And because it's in a slit, it can move up and down very easily. I'm going to go a little bit higher than I was the second time, but not as high as I was the first time. Now also, we've got to make sure that these little fingers don't hit the form, so I'm going to push that one down. Otherwise I'll be smashing my type. Okay, that should be the position. That happens too sometimes. Okay, the position's okay. So now I'm going to install my left side gauge pin, which will keep that card from sticking. And I go a little bit high on this one. And again, I want to make sure that I don't smash my type, so I'm going to push the pin in a little bit. All right. And there we have our first print. Needs some impression, needs some leveling, but you get the idea. To move the pin down, I loosen these wheels a little bit and just push it with my thumb, just a hair. And at this point, I'm so close to having a good print, I'm going to add some more packing to increase the pressure. Pop the bail loose, slip the sheet under, and then draw the paper up under the bail and press it back in place. And then put a card in